Good afternoon, students of 10th standard. Yesterday we have seen question number 6. Now we'll see question number 7. I will draw the figure properly. See here. D, F, E. It is a 90 degree, no doubt. Here it is perpendicular. FG is perpendicular to ED. This is 8. This is 12. Okay. Now given information I will write first of all in triangle. Given information to you is GD and GF. So first of all, in triangle DFE, angle F is equal to 90. You can take angle DFE also. It is better to take angle DFE 90. Then FG is perpendicular to DE. Therefore, by geometric mean property, FG square is equal to DG into GE. Substitute the values here. Here 12 square is equal to 8 into GE. So 144 is equal to 8 into GE. Therefore, GE is equal to 144 by 8. All it is given in it is not given in centimeters, so you can use the unit here, 18 units. Next, we got GE here, that is 80. Now we need a DF in triangle DGF. Angle DGF is equal to 90. Therefore, it is hypotenuse in front of 90 degree. It is the side, so it is hypotenuse. DF square is equal to GD square plus FG square. Reason you can give Pythagoras theorem. Now we will write upside here. Therefore, substitute the values. DF square is equal to 8 square plus 12 square, 64 plus 144, you will get 208. Taking its root, DF is equal to root 208, that is 4 into 52 means 4 into 4 into 4 13s are 4 52s are. Again we can divide by 4, so in this way we will get, therefore DF is equal to 4 root 3, 13 units. Next, first of all we will find D. We have to find here EF. For that purpose D will find, then GD plus GE. Reason you can give D dash G dash E. Put the values here. 8 plus 18 you will get 26. Again in triangle DFE, angle DFE is equal to 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, here D square is equal to FD square or DF square you can find. You can write DF square plus EF square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then substitute the values here. DE we have 26. DF we got 4 root 13 plus EF square. Therefore, he has told to find FE, no? EF only. So EF square is equal to 26 square we got 676, and this already square is the 208. If you subtract, you will get 468. So taking its root, 468, so 4 1 1 7 are. Again you can divide by 9, so 4 into 9 into 13, taking its root, this is 2 and 3, is 6 root 13, or 36 taking its root, it will become 6. So this is the question for the first one, that is question number 7. You can see it properly. Now question number 8 we will take. In question number 8, find the diagonal of the rectangle whose length is 35 cm and breadth is 12 cm, like this question is there. So one rectangle we will draw in this. First of all, we will draw the rectangle. Let ABCD be the rectangle, AC be the diagonal. Let AB, quadrilateral ABCD be a rectangle. Length we will consider BC. How much it is given to you? 35 centimeter. Breadth AB, how much she has given? 12 centimeter. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. Reason you can write angle of a rectangle. Afterwards, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the values here. This is 12 centimeter, that is 12 square plus 35 square. Taking its root, taking square 144 and this will be 1225. You will get 1369, 963 and 1. Taking its root, you will get 37 centimeter. Therefore, diagonal of the rectangle is 37 centimeter. Okay, so today we'll stop for this, and remaining two questions we'll take tomorrow. Thank you very much.